Do you know? Bees, particularly honeybees, use a complex form of communication known as the waggle dance to inform other members of their hive about the location of food sources. It performs a figure-8 dance indicating the direction of the food source relative to the sun. For example, if the bee dances vertically upwards, it means the food source is directly toward the sun. The duration of the waggle phase of the dance indicates the distance to the food source. The intensity of the dance provides information about the quality of the food source. More vigorous dances suggest a better food source.